Okay, a quick video on how to add templates or documents to specific workflow steps. All right, here I am. I'm Alice Doyle. I'm actually a part of the Woods Hole team. I went to project management, right? So you use this little button, project management. And then I went to ground data. So that's over here, these three dots. Click here, and that's, you choose ground data. And in this ground data step, I go to portal documents right here. Okay? So now I find my ship, the Atlantis, and I'm going to add a document to template to one of the steps. So I click upload, and I can either select a file like a PDF, or you can select a link. Right now I'm just gonna, for testing sake, I'm gonna say it's unals.org. And then the important part here is folder, and that folder actually decides which step you want to make it a part of. So I've outlined this in the help document which all of these folders are, but right now we'll just put it in birthing plan, so that will be associated with the birthing plan step. You can add more information and short context, and then you can click, let's call it test, birthing plan test, save that. Okay, so then we see our birthing plan, our test is under this birthing plan, and now that will show up when when you go to the birthing plan step. So let's go test HUI and have a look here. We're at their workflow, and we can look here. Where is birthing plan? Right here, open, and here we see our test. Okay, so on our help document there's a list of which folder coincides with which step, and that a link will be there. Thanks.